The book is ready, but I also need a cover to publish it on Amazon. To know the exact dimensions of the book, I have to use the calculator. You can find it in the description. It's free to use. I fill it with the necessary information. I'm going to publish it in paperback. For the interior type, I choose color, paper type white, reading direction left to right, and measurement units can be in inches or centimeters. I just use inches, but it doesn't really matter because you can customize the size of the cover in Canva. Next is the size of the book, which you should choose before you start creating the book, and the page count. After you click the Calculate button, you'll get a page showing all the measurements. Use those numbers to create a custom size in Canva with the exact dimensions. This is important because sometimes Amazon gives trouble if the size is not correct. You can and should also download the template of the cover. After you download the template, you can upload it as a PDF to Canva and start from there, or open a new project with the custom size. Either way, you need to put the full PDF size on the page so you can see where the safe areas are, where you can put images or text, and where you should be careful not to place anything important. Otherwise, Amazon won't approve your cover if they find text under the critical parts of the cover. If you already have your ISBN, you should also place the barcode in the correct spot where Amazon marks it in the cover example. I chose 2 images from the book for the cover, one for the front and one for the back. On the front, I added the name of the book and also a bubble that says there is a memory game inside. You can add anything that helps promote the book on the cover. On the back side, I added a short description of what the book contains, but you can also skip that and just use another image. I made sure the images cover the entire book cover and that both images meet correctly at the spine. Since this is a very small book, I don't really have space on the spine to add anything, but if I did, I would write the name of the book there again. You can also add the author's name on the front. It can be a real name or a made-up name if you used AI to write the whole thing. Now let's prepare the text for Amazon. Click on this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.